Hi, it's Chris, and welcome back to the C. What do we have on the show today? I am fixing hard drive lights on the Amiga 3000. It's fun. This one is the power and hard drive LED. The thing snapped off. The 4-prong single filament LED still functions, but the board is toast. There are replacement boards. Could I glue this together? Could I bridge all of those connections? Possibly. When I can extract this LED and put it in this case that is also all screwed up and damaged. But that's for another story. The main reason is I want to test out a new product that I got. FNIRSI, FNIRSI. I've used their products before. This is their cordless soldering pen. Like my other precision line machines that I use, the key word of cordless means I can take these on the road for Dr. Chris house calls, or have something that I am able to use in a wireless capacitor. Now, for this endeavor, we are going to do a quick opening and see what this girl is all about. We'll slide these busted things out of the way. A simple open. Yeah. Comes in a case. Specifications: operating voltage 5 volts, 10 watt max power, 100 to 450C, that's 212 to 842 Fahrenheit. USB Type-C rechargeable, has a 0.96 IPS high definition color screen. Be careful, this sucker can get hot. Don't touch the tip. Keep out of the reach of children. Don't expose the water. Disconnect the power when you're not in use for an extended period of time. The handle may become warm during operation. This is normal and safe to use. Swap battery, keep working. Use anywhere corded or cordless. And carry and protect with ease. Bong chow. There you go. HS-03 Rapid Warming. Alright. Nice carrying case. Inside, very nice. We have tips that are very similar and nice in precision to another one that I've used. A angled tip. Can you see the tip size? Like the tip size, this is precision level work. Look at that tip. A little erect one there and a standard here. Oops. Standard there and a little erect one on the top. Boing, got excited. Spot for 3 tips in the holder. You also get a screwdriver, a USB-C cord or a USB A to C cord for charging. Inside of here you get a quality certificate, passed. You get a two really tiny screws. And the unit is, oh, another soldering tip here. Chisel tip, nice chisel tip here. So you get a nice chisel tip there. That's a good one. So that can go in the triple spot here of the. It looks like reminds me of some medicine pills or something. You get a stand. You get the unit. And the case is molded so it holds the parts in there. Very nice. USB-C charging at the top. For power, I'm borrowing the plug from the Dell U2410F. The Golden Mate doesn't have USB. Plugging the unit in. It clearly does have a nice screen. It says charging. Charging HS-03. I'm not going to peel this off yet. Here are our temperature settings. You just hit the dial, you just turn it. 0 to max. Of course, min, OK, up or down. The unit itself seems pretty simple to use. Sabot style tips are nice because it keeps them nice. These are a self-enclosed temperature control probe tip. Nice insertion. Goes all the way up. Rubberized, thick silicone rubber. Very thick. Going to protect your hand from burn. This is pretty much charged, so I don't need to keep it charged. I'm going to unplug the charger. Now, I'm going to turn the unit on with the OK button. This is its self stand. It has a screw on the bottom for something. I don't know. It will sit in here like this and somehow hold itself up, but I guess I could sit it like this and it would be safe. So, English. Okay, we're going to choose English. Unit Celsius or Fahrenheit. So for me, Fahrenheit, and OK. Set the temperature 480. You can crank it up here with the turn knob. 750 degrees. It is already smoking. Incredible. Let's see here if it can pull the solder off of this light for me. So I'm going to let that heat up for a second. We're going to use a silicone solder sucker. I'm going to zoom into this part. We're just going to extract some LEDs. I'm giving it a second to heat up. I know it doesn't need it. It does say it's already at temperature. Look at this. 750 degrees, battery power, alarm. Here we go. Oh my god, that's so nice. That is so nice. A product that actually does what it says. That was amazing. For a cordless soldering iron, these things have always been, press and hold to turn off, and locks into its vented safe holder for storage. You can grab this until it's cooled off, or if you're going to be taking it with you. That is truly incredible. FNIRSI model HS-03 cordless soldering pen. Now the battery is also replaceable. It uses a standard, what are those things called? Those batteries called that the electric cars use. So yeah, you flip it up to pull the battery out. It's just a single card. Cordless soldering pen user manual. Sorry, my hands are not working well tonight. It is a nice clear English manual. Nice table of contents. It weighs 134 grams, the whole unit, whatever that is, in imperial. Startup screen, insert soldering tip prompt where you press OK. If you turn the unit on without the soldering tip, it has a standby or sleep time. There's plenty of options in here for sleeper timer, for if you forget it. Sleep temperature mode, so you can raise or lower the temperature if it's in an idle condition. Step adjustments, how many Celsius or Fahrenheit you can go up per click. English or Chinese. Volume, brightness, firmware, restoring factory settings. Holding the device, hold the left arrow with a USB Type-C. Enter the bootloader for firmware. Drag and drop to your bootloader and exit. Nice, like a little pick chip in there. Battery, the battery rechargeable thing. It just tells me to flip this up like this. Oh, there's a screw. Okay, so there is a screw in here, which I do carry spares of because the Davoom takes them. So then you pull this out, and here's your battery, or 18650, I think it's called. What's it say? 18650, 2600 milliamp. I have several of these spares. That's a nice hefty battery. And then you just put it in the barrel, close the top, put the screw in. That's why there's a screwdriver. That's why there's 2 extra screws. Well thought out. I like how it takes a modern battery. This is the same battery that is in my Hyundai Ioniq 5. So that is an incredible soldering iron. It's cordless and it's got precision tips. And it has a case. I was going to use my whole stand thing. Full instructions. I like how it has a pocket here where you can store your stuff. The tip storage for all three. Now this should be cool by now. Yeah, just like my other units with this similar tip style. They have like an inert gas in them that has really great control over the thermodynamics of the tip. And the sabot style storage things are nice because it keeps them separated from the plastic. Easy storage in here for either storability, portability, and ease of use. If you're not a full-time solderer, you don't need a massive solder station. This would more than sufficiently meet your needs. The best part is it was only 75 bucks, but it's on sale at the moment of this recording for 70 on the old Amazon. I will link in the description below. You could even stick a spare battery in here if you use all three of these up here. You could put a spare 18650 in here, and you're all in one, ready to go. I do like how you get the extra screws for the unit. If you need them, I'll keep them in here along with its included screwdriver, just for safekeeping. The USB cord is more than sufficient to charge it and can easily be wrapped up and stored all in one. So that's a new favorite for travel for me. I like to keep tools because I'm always fixing something or helping somebody out, or even for use around the house. Instead of breaking out big machines, I can quickly grab this. This is going to be a regular on my channel to go with my other units that I regularly use. That's the FNIRSI. How do you say that? FNIRSI. FNIRSI. I'll say NIRSI. We'll do a silent F. But links in the description below. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just review the products I use. There it is. 69 bucks. It was 74, but you can have it today for $69 and free shipping direct from the manufacturer. And that's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
What do you know from funny, you bastard?